What's up, y'all? We back with another Black History Month interview. Today, I'm here with the first Black and first female Superior Court judge right here in Robeson County. Judge Powers, introduce yourself to the people. Let them know what you do.
Hello, I am Judge Tiffany Powers. I'm a resident Superior Court judge here in Robeson County. I do criminal and civil matters, matters in controversy over $25,000, as well as felonies from class I's to A, which is capital murder.
Okay, and how long have you been a judge?
I've been a judge since 2021, January 1st of 2021.
Okay. So, do you only hear cases here in Robeson County or do you move around the counties?
In North Carolina, Superior Court judges are judges for the whole state. So therefore, we can hold court in any county in the state. However, I'm from the second division, and in our division, we go from like Robeson County up to actually Carteret, but they kind of break up the division into the northern half and southern half. So I've been held court in several different counties.
Okay, and what would you say is the best part about being a judge?
I like making the decisions.
Okay. You like making decisions. Okay, so what does Black History Month mean to you?
Black History Month is an opportunity to showcase Black excellence. There are a lot of people who have contributed in so many ways on so many levels to our way of life, to American history. And if we don't talk about those stories, then they will be lost. People won't understand. So, therefore, this is an opportunity for us to say, we've done this and we've done that. But not only that, but so that people can understand our contributions and what we have brought to the table.
Okay, that's all right. That's different. So, what would your message be to the little Black boys and girls who might want to follow in your footsteps?
Do it. Don't let anybody discourage you. Go to school, get your education, read, write, learn. There's no barrier that you can't overcome. So if you are interested in becoming a judge, a lawyer, anything in the legal field, then find a mentor, use your resources. But it's been done before, you can do it.
Okay, that's different. That's actually pretty deep. Okay, and I just got one last question for you. What would your message be to the young people out there who might not realize that the choice they make today could affect their futures tomorrow?
I'm glad you asked that question. We grew up, or I grew up, in a non digital age. So if you didn't see it, then you might not know what happened. Everything is in full and living color. Everything is documented. It is digital. You make that footprint. The things that you do, the choices that you make will follow you. Now, there's some avenues that you make mistakes and there's a way to get it expunged or things like that. But you have to live your life like it's out there in the open. And so that means holding yourself more accountable, holding yourself to a higher standard because people are going to bring up the receipts. They're going to have pictures, they're going to have video. So think about what you say and think about how you act and think about how you represent yourself and your family. Those are the things that are going to follow you for the rest of your life.
All right. Well, that's all the questions I have for you today, Judge. Thank you so much for your time.
Absolutely.
Y'all heard it here first. Thank you for tuning in. This is the real shift after the call.